Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I was talking last week about Microsoft Edge and how, it's not going in the right direction. Also, I think there's a lot of talk about it, even on Paul Tarot's website. He talked about it, and there's still some talk this week. One of the things that I think is going wrong for Microsoft is that they're adding stuff, of course, on Microsoft Edge that have to do with online shopping. And one of the things that some have noticed, I don't see it here, but some of you might actually want to try to use Edge and go to google.com/Chrome and press enter and see if something pops up. I don't have anything that popped up on mine, but a lot of people are reporting that they see a pop-up here that says, you don't want to download, Google Chrome. Microsoft Edge is the best you can have. All sorts of stuff like that. Now, I don't really mind about that for one reason. If you go to any Google page with Edge, it always annoys you with, you should use Google Chrome. So they're both, kind of waging a little browser war here. But the latest add to Edge, which is a feature, and this is where it's going really bad. So Edge is adding a feature where you can, pay later or make, monthly payments when you purchase something. So they struck a deal with some company that actually can have you pay in, monthly amounts for something that you want to buy. And this has two bad sides to it. One of it is the fact that when asked, Microsoft doesn't want to say, because people have been asking, are you making money on that deal? And they say, we'll not comment on that. But also in the feedback hub, we've started seeing, and in a lot of the comments of Edge, we started seeing a lot of people now saying, you know what? I've been using Edge for a while now. It's over. I'm not using Edge anymore. You guys have screwed it enough that I am not interested in using your browser anymore. This is something that I think is not going well now. I think Microsoft just doesn't understand that, we wanted to have a browser. It was fine that Edge was a new browser and that they wanted to make it good and make it, add little features here and there. But there comes a point where it just goes too far. And this is another example here. It goes too far. So a lot of people are apparently mad at Microsoft now with the latest move that they have. So we're going to see for the future what's going to happen with Microsoft Edge. But definitely Microsoft will need to take a look at what's happening. And I think that enough is enough at some point. So if you see weird things happening in Edge, that's the way it is now. And one of the messages, when you try to have Chrome, it says, Edge is the best browser for online shopping. I don't think anyone doesn't want to save money. And it's like, yeah, I'm not sure that's the way to bring people to Microsoft Edge, honestly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.